Hello friends, myself Avinarayan and today I will teach you future simple tense. So first of all, what is this? Simply say that the future simple tense is used to express the action or event which is likely to happen in future, or in other words you will say that to express an action in the future, and maybe we will use tomorrow or next. In this tense we use shall or will between the subject and the first form of the verb. It means main. Normally we use shall with first person. It means with I and we. In the same way, we use will with the pronouns of second person you and third person he, she, it, and they. So there are three person. In first person, we will write I and we. In second person, we will write you, and in third person we will write he, she, it, and they, and they are all pronouns. Now, a rule for the simple future tense: subject plus shall or will plus verb first form plus object. So rule will not change either your subject is singular or plural. Rule will be same. Now example, we shall see the picture today. They will come here soon. So see here, with first person we use shall, and with third person we will use will. Now we will discuss affirmative sentences. So now in these sentences we will write shall or will between the subject and first form of the verb. So whenever we will write affirmative sentences, we will write will or shall between the subject and first form of the verb, or simply say that after the subject we will write will and shall. Now, rule for affirmative sentences: subject plus shall or will plus verb first form plus object. Example, they will go for the meeting. Second example, you will go to college today. So these are the example of affirmative sentences. So please remember the rules. Now for the negative sentences. In these sentences, we will write not after the helping verb. Helping verb means after will or shall, and before first form of the verb. So if you want to change any sentence in negative form, we will write not after the helping verb, and in future simple tense helping verbs are shall and will. So you will write not after shall and will. Rule: subject plus shall or will plus not plus verb first form plus object. So this is the rule for the negative sentence of simple future tense. Now see the example. They will not go for the meeting. So see here, we will write not after the will, it means after the helping verb. Second example, you will not go to the college today. So here again we will write not after the helping verb. Now in the case of interrogative sentences, in interrogative sentences, will or shall is placed before the subject and first form of the verb after it. So in interrogative sentences, we will write helping verb before the subject and we will write first form of the verb after the subject. And we know that interrogative sentences always end with question mark. So we will write question mark at the end of the sentence. Now, rule: will or shall plus subject plus verb first form plus object question mark. So this is the rule for the interrogative sentences. If you want to change these sentences in WH type, we will write WH before will or shall. Now example for the interrogative sentences: will they go for the meeting question mark, will you go to the college today question mark. So these are the examples of interrogative sentences. Now next one is interrogative negative sentences. Note: in these sentences we will write helping verb will or shall before subject and not after the subject and before first form of the verb. So rule for the interrogative negative sentences: we will write not after the subject but we will write helping verb, it means will or shall, before the subject. So again see here what is the rule: will or shall plus subject plus not plus verb first form plus object question mark. Examples: will they not go for the meeting question mark. So see here we will write helping verb before the subject. Here subject is they, and after the subject we will write not, and here go is the first form of the verb. So we will write first form of the verb after the not. Second example: will you not go to the college today question mark. Shall I not write a letter question mark. So these are the examples of interrogative negative sentences. So now in this way we have discussed present simple present future simple tense. Okay.